Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be finishing these two beautiful Damascus knives. If you haven't seen me forge them, go back and watch part 1. This is a piece of 1/4-inch thick mild steel, which I'm going to be using for the guards of both knives. I use a Sharpie on both pieces of steel, so I can scribe it and see my lines, and where to drill my holes. I center punch the places I've marked on the guards, so when I drill the holes, my drill bit won't wander. I use microfiles to file out a slot for the tang. This takes forever. I'm constantly checking the fit up, so I make sure that there are no gaps in the final product. Now that the fit up is complete, I shape the guards on the grinder. Using contact wheels, I put in little contours that really make the piece pop. Despite how long it takes, hand sanding is always the best option if you want a perfect finish. With the guards complete, it's time to think about the handle. Here I have some very beautiful pieces of African blackwood, which I have in mind. I've cut out the handles, and this is how they look. I mark the handle material so I know where to drill. I use a brooch I made out of saw blade to open up the slot enough to fit the tang. Now I drill a hole for a pin to go in the handle. It's looking pretty good so far. I used lead from a mechanical pencil to mark where I need to shape the handle to. The handles have been rough ground, so it's time to smooth them out. Because I was using live edge African blackwood, there were a few small cracks, but I filled them with superglue and epoxy. Unfortunately, footage of the glue up was lost. Now, the pins of the knife are ground flat. And are cleaned up with some good old hand sanding. There's one final step, the sharpening. If you want to stay up to date with my current projects, be sure to check out my Facebook page, which will be linked in the description below, as will my Etsy store. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.